Once you're satisfied with your floor plan, you can name the objects for better organization, or for bigger projects, create a group per floor level. And then finally, to export, select the objects that make up the floor plan in the left panel, right-click and choose Export to DXF. This will save a DXF file in your Downloads folder. The DXF can then be opened or imported in any CAD program. I have a great one, so let's open this file in Pythagoras. Go to File, Open, select the exported DXF, set the units to meters, and click OK. What we have is a closed polyline, a solid basis to continue working with.